I just had to start the camera. All right, ready? Oh, Caleb got one. The last one of the day from, oh no! I just grabbed him to put him in the net.
Nice. Right there. Get him, Caleb.
Lift your leg, my rod's between your legs. Ah! Caleb kicked me into that branch. Get that branch out of there. Got him. Little guy. He's gonna get off. I gotta get wet my hand. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. There we go. Wow, hook came right out.
He's really small.
Beautiful little guy, though. Oh, wow. There he goes. Yeah, that. Let it drift. Oh, man, I saw him right here. He could. I'm trying to see if I see him. Oh, I'm gonna try my glasses. He might be back there. Yeah, he's there. He's there. He's on it. He's on it. Bring him over. Yeah! That might be the same one Josiah got. It looks exact. Did he just come off? That looks exactly the same, dude. All right, here. Take him out of the net. Yeah. Dude, nice catch, dude. You got a nice brook. I know. I need to redirect him back out. There he goes, a little bit. Yeah, there he finally goes. There we go. No, don't catch him. He's gonna be traumatized. He'll never bite again. I'm surprised. I'm pretty sure that's the exact same fish. I think it is. Oh, Caleb! Did you just catch the same one? That's the same fish! He just came up and smoked it again.
That's the same fish from yesterday, too.
Yeah, this guy's hungry. There, take that. Take this. All right, I'm just gonna get him back in because this dude is so stupid.
There, from the water.
I mean, nice brook trout. Dude.
This guy is. He's gonna be super tired now. Maybe we should move on.
Yeah, we probably should. All right, you guys want to move on?
Probably this not yet.
Let's move to a new spot. I don't either. Ooh. All right. What are we doing about that? Nothing? Oh, are you all right?
Yeah.
Rod okay?
Yeah.
Ooh, that was good. Where'd that guy go? He must have been like back in there. Oh my. Got a good one. Got a really good one. Yep, that's a good fish. That's a good fish right there. That's a really good fish. Maybe. Come here. Yes. Yes. Woo! Wow, look at that. Dude, he was under those branches right there. Nice fish. Look at this fish. Oh, wow. That's such a beautiful fish. Okay. Never mind, I got it. All right, let's give him some water. Let's get one more look at him. Wow. All right, let's get rid of these. There he goes. What a beautiful fish. Wow. He's hanging out right on that rock right there. Oh, that was pretty good. I don't want to get snagged on that rock. Let's try moving over here. Oh yeah. Let that sink. Wow, I'm so surprised that there's... Got him! Oh my gosh, beautiful fish. Oh no. Oh no. He got off. Oh my gosh, he was sitting right behind that rock. I don't know if he'll bite. I really hope the GoPro saw that. This branch is kind of in the way. Well, actually it's really in the way.
Fishing that spot?
What? I'm gonna keep fishing for the time being. That was a bigger fish. There we go. Now the branches aren't in the way. I thought I was snagged, dude. Like I was right along that rock, so I was like, oh, I'm probably snagged. Where was I standing? It was so perfect. Like right here. I could probably honestly stand in the water almost. I'm gonna try and move this branch. Oh, that is not moving. Okay. Well, if I hook him, I'll just jump back onto that rock over there. Nothing. Wouldn't be surprised if that fish was done. I did pull him out from his rock. I want to get on the other side of this. Whoa, it's way deeper than I thought. Okay, maybe not. What? How to fish? What do you...
On the super duper.
Really?
Yeah, he was going crazy. He was doing what that one fish did. And I stopped moving and he freaking smoked it.
Dude, try to throw it like under this tree. That's a... Got him.
Yep.
On the super duper.
Yep.
Nice, dude. Oh yeah, I see him. Well, after that snag, spot's probably dead. Hooked a fish under that tree. It was a little one, so it's probably no good anymore. I'm gonna leave this, head upriver a little bit, find a spot up there that will produce. I think there's a spot. I think I know where I can go. I got snagged on the rock and it didn't come out right away, so I'm just letting the spot sit. I think it's probably dead right now. There's a couple fish hanging out behind that rock, but it's so hard to get the perfect cast back there. It'd be hard to not get stuck on a branch with those treble hooks. Yeah, try to at least see it. Yeah. I mean, it was a big fish. I myself am gonna head up here. Not this spot, although actually under that tree could be decent. This doesn't look, it looks okay, I think. Where I want to go is right here. That's where I want to be. This could be good. I don't know, it's kind of hard to get in there, and then there's that log in there. Yeah, we're gonna go by there for now. Maybe we'll try that, but I'm gonna stand probably like right here. Try to get in here. All right. I mean, don't have to cast very far. Just right here. There he is. Oh, there he was. Oh, I still see him. Just missed him there. Oh. Good fish. Good brookie. There we go. Come here, buddy. There we go. Nice. Wow, that's a pretty one. Open the bail, give me some line here. That's a pretty fish. That is a pretty fish. There we go. Pretty brook trout right there, guys. Wow. Pretty fish. Just get him back in. There he goes. All right. Good fish. Well, it wasn't recording, but just caught this really nice rainbow. All right. Wow, look at, he looks like, he's about as long as that brookie. In fact, he's about the same exact length. He's probably about an inch past this, so like right there. All right. Oh,
He's going.
oh shoot. Well, I didn't really get the
I
release.
thought you already had it going.
Well, I did, but I wanted to take the camera off my head. Hey, good thing we got it. Trout. Nice brook on the jerkbait. Got him. Wow, missed the hook set. I saw him come up and eat it, but that's okay. Wow, what a pretty fish. There we go, got it. Okay. 13.